Credit card systems are crucial for modern business operations, allowing you to maximize sales and enhance customer convenience. Let's break down the process into clear, actionable steps. Firstly, assess your business needs. Determine whether you need a basic credit card terminal, a mobile card reader, or an integrated point-of-sale system. This depends on where and how you plan to accept payments, whether in-store, online, or on the go. Next, research potential payment processors. Look for a provider that offers transparent pricing models and reliable customer service. Consider transaction fees, monthly fees, and any additional costs that may apply. Don't forget to read reviews and compare different providers to find the best fit. Once you've selected a processor, you'll need to apply for a merchant account. This account allows your business to accept credit card payments. The application process may require information about your business's financial history, so be prepared to provide necessary documents. After approval, it's time to set up the equipment. For a physical location, you'll need to install your card reader or terminal. Follow the setup instructions provided by your processor, ensuring you connect to your network securely to protect customer data. For online sales, integrate the payment gateway into your website. This involves embedding payment forms and ensuring your site is PCI compliant to protect your customers' sensitive information. Consult with your web developer or payment processor for seamless integration. Test your system thoroughly. Run several trial transactions to ensure everything is working correctly. This includes processing payments, issuing refunds, and generating transaction reports. Don't skip this step. It's essential to catch any issues before going live. Once everything's running smoothly, train your staff. Make sure they understand how to use the equipment, process transactions, and troubleshoot common issues. Effective training will help provide a seamless experience for your customers. Finally, keep your system secure. Implement regular updates and monitor transactions for suspicious activity. By staying vigilant, you'll protect your business from fraud and ensure confidence among your customers. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a robust credit card system in place that can help propel your small business forward.